Okay, I'm taking a look at Profile Pic Maker. I'm on Dev Community, and this looks quite interesting. Make an awesome profile picture from any photo. So let's take a look. So I presume it takes away the background image and then applies your one. So upload your photo. Let's take a look here. Let's take this might take a few seconds. I don't know. Profile Pic Maker. I think it's pfpmaker.com. Nice, maybe a nice easy way to get a nice profile pic for whatever site you're using. I wonder if it's the same company that does Remove Background Maker. But there you are. It applies something different. That's quite nice. Nice colour there. Very nice. And I guess that's the download. So that probably goes to downloads. And I think it was in a ping. Is this some sort of preview? Preview button? Yeah, preview and backgrounds. Download a matching background. That's good. Yeah. That's a very nice feature. That might look good on GitHub. So, I've got quite a nice gradient background. Would look nice. Maybe that one. Just downloaded and they're in ping format. Okay. Very nice. So, is there anything else I fancy? Take a look at that and the corresponding background pages. Let's have a look. Let's take a look at this one. So downloaded that. And let's take a look at the preview. Yes, I like this. That's not that one though. I'm gonna take that. That looks very good. Very simple one. Let's take the background. They're not corresponding, mind, because that's, I guess it is. Well, it looks nice. Let's go back. Let's just preview something. Oh, you got to, you got to download before you preview. Oh, some don't have a background. I see. That one didn't. Kind of like that. Okay. That is at the top here, pfpmaker.com. Profile picture maker.